Hi, this is Steve Ettinger, and this is a video demonstration of our software real quick. I'm just going to go to our link here, show you how this works. Anyway, you pull into the project and it says, hey, click this remix button. This kind of sucks. So let's see. First, you probably want to sign in with GitHub. Yeah, you're signed in. Uh, Make sure that you have wrap text and then not refresh app on changes. You come over here, the remix project. Now I have good politician, ha, auto-generated. What I need to do in here is it'll say set your passcode. So I go in here, environment, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this should be the extent of coding that you have to do. Now, if you go back to the README, it'll say what else you have to do. Push show live. You can kill this. You can take this and type build.html. I guess we could follow a link or something. But boom, now you have an IDE. Interesting. Oh, I'm on Brave. Sorry. So make sure your shields are down. There's nothing on this side that's gonna hurt you. Anyway, back to Good Politician. Now that I have less stuff blocking me, I'm in Good Politician. From here, I can project password 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. I now have the ability to do pretty much anything. So here is what the web app looks like in its current state. There is nothing here. If you push Control-Alt-I, you'll bring up an inspector over here, all visual, and you can take stuff like this environment and do stuff like move it. Let's just put it like back at the origin. So you can move it with your mouse, you can type zeros, whatever you want to do. And then you just push the save button. And when you refresh the app, those changes are saved. So what actually happens is when you push the app, literally it goes in here, finds the code. So here's that code. And if I say like move this somewhere else, push save, you'll see over here 2.8 and 4.4. So just like over here. Not important, but I'm going to put it back just for consistency's sake. All right. So now what I want to do is drop in a 3D model. So here's the GLTF to forget about it. Request asset upon creation. So here is, let's see here, a download. Here's a GLTF. All I do is take it, drop it on there. This time what you'll see is here's an asset item, AutoGen2. It contains the IPFS thing to that GLTF that I just uploaded. The GLTF got converted to a GLB, which is a binary, just a blob, and put into IPFS is this. Not only that, but also the corresponding tag is down here. So it's in the asset management system as well as here. So now when I push refresh app, I'm inside that model that I just drag and dropped in here. So now you can see like, oh no, the floor is colliding with my model. So this is one of those times you can just take the floor, drag it down a little bit, push save. All right. Refresh. Now the floor is not colliding anymore, and I can walk around here. All right, so this is cool. This is a nice little like thing. And what I could do now is add some photos. So here's my image uploader. If I wanted to have 360 pictures, those are in here too. But until then, let's just go back and find some photos. Pictures. So here's 2 pictures. Just gonna take those, drop them both there. Reconnecting. Boom. And again, you'll see like here are these pictures, as well as they are in the asset system now. Not only that, but the custom JSON is pulling these things as well. So now I can go refresh my app. Down here, you'll see these pictures that have been put onto boxes. And now all I have to do is take these, capture whatever. Let's roll it up. Depth. Let's make that 0.001. All right. Oops. Ugh. Anyway, I'm using a trackpad. This gets a lot easier with a mouse. But you can now, there it is, place these pictures wherever you want them. Push save, refresh app. And now here is that guy down there. So I've been placing assets in here. I think this is pretty cool. I don't know if that maybe didn't stick to the depth. That's a bummer. Limitation. Oh well. So other things you can do in here are clone entity. Cloned it. Now there are actually two boxes over here occupying the same space. See ICO and ICO 1, 2. I can delete this entity. Gone. What else can I do? Oh, and now that everything's in here, so I've placed my assets. I have my manifest with my model, my pictures. This is the app at first. Now that I've added stuff and changed it, this needs to be reinserted into IPFS. So compile. Reconnecting. And now my hash is changed with my updated information onto the description. So this is using a Steam keychain. I can make my permalink. So this actually can be like an edit portal using Steam keychain. Doing whatever in here. It automatically picks out links and everything else to update your custom JSON with everything else that is needed to make this app. Yep, you can put pictures in here. Yep, all that stuff just gets automatically pulled out. And when I push update information, refresh, all of this stuff comes in here. Deluxe VR, this, that, the other. And now when I push publish, it just asks my Steam keychain if I want to publish this, knowing that I am disregard fiat and whatnot. So after this gets published on Steam, as long as everything is kosher, we have a DSteam client that picks off appropriately formatted custom JSON in appropriately benefacted posts and pins them. Then you have basically a no-code IDE for getting VR and anything you can put in VR onto the blockchain. All right, thanks.